Hello, welcome to this month's Musical U video in which we're looking at the concept of swing. Now, there are two ways we're going to look at this. We're going to talk about the purely theoretical and then the kind of idiomatic, contextual feel application of it. So, for us as bass players, this gets particularly interesting because obviously the main context for swing is jazz, and the bass role within jazz is, for the most part, to play 4 in a bar and then embellish on that. It's interesting to listen to particular bass players and hear how they employ this. If you take some of the greats of jazz, Ray Brown had a beautiful swing feel. Paul Chambers had a slightly more subtle one. He played with Miles Davis. If you listen to the beginning of So What. You hear the way that Paul Chambers plays it. It's nowhere near as exaggerated as that. It's much, much looser. Partly because it was kind of difficult and he'd only just been handed the chart. I'm going to start with the arpeggios, the 4-note 7th arpeggios of that. So the exercises will be, for this, will will give you a number of versions of me playing chord progressions. I'll notate them. Under which you can play walking lines, and then we can bring in that